Hey guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm in the kitchen today. And I'm telling you what, that nickel nose resto, he put out a challenge. I just couldn't let it go. He said to show how you cook your favorite meal. Well, here we go. You got to have the finest ingredients. I got some whole wheat bread here, and I got some peanut butter. And notice specifically that it is extra crunchy. That's what you can have. That's the key element, extra crunchy. Then you can have some kind of jelly. Well, I don't have any raspberry, which is probably my favorite, or pineapple, but I do got some grape, and it'll work just as well. Now, the important thing in making a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich, PBJ, is that you have to use plenty of ingredients. Uh, when I was building when I was building pole barns and steel buildings back when I was in my 40s, about 25 years ago, I had a fellow that worked with me, and his wife would make him a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and he showed me one of his peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and it looked to me like his wife had put peanut butter on, and then she'd wiped it off and left just what would come off of the knife after it was scraped back into the jar. And the same with the jelly. You could barely, it was grape jelly actually on his for sure, I know that. When it was all said and done, it was barely a little bit brown on one slice of bread and a little bit purple on the other slice of bread. And you know what I call that? I call that a wish sandwich. Well, one of the things I told my wife, that we would never have wish sandwiches in my house, where this stuff don't squeeze out as easy. It says, I think it says on the bottle, doesn't it say easy squeeze? Squeezable. Yeah, well, it doesn't say easy squeeze. But I told my wife, no wish sandwiches in my house. So that is the key thing, is you have to have plenty of ingredients on your sandwich. If you're having grape jelly, you got to have grape jelly on it so you can taste that thing. If you have peanut butter, you got to have a fair amount of peanut butter on there, you know? And if it oozes out the side, that's okay. You could grab it, catch it. You have to wipe your finger across it or lick it with your tongue. That's no problem, you know. And then, just for good measure, before you put your peanut butter away, you gotta stick your head right down there and you go, yeah, that's what you gotta do. Yep. And then you put the lid back on. Yeah. Now look at that, huh? Then you take your other slices of bread, put them puppies right on top of you, and there you have it. That is a Shade Tree Fix-It Man Wish Me Not sandwich. Yeah. Pardon me. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. I'm going to finish my sandwich. Bye.